We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up.
I'll be sure. Put it again. Man, just wait, put on. Guys, look how cute this is. Guys, look at it. What's up, y'all? It's cecevee here for the tea, and I am so excited because today I'm going Goose fair. It's sunny. I'm gonna leave now. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so I just left the house now. I'm going to a jump, but it's freezing. Literally have to bring a coat because it's so cold. I hope everyone's waiting for me again. I start respecting people's time. Like so terrible. I'm gonna meet everyone else in town since I'm literally need to walk to the train start, but yeah. Oh my days, guys, I'm here with Nicole, Victoria as well. No way! That's worse. Oh my days. But we're just literally walking around. Victoria wanted food as well, but I don't even know what to even say because it's very loud, it's very early. We're gonna go more on rides when it's more darker, but it's really bright right now. So I'll show you more on rides. Look how much she put on. Oh, that is aesthetic, bro. Guys, Nicole said she was really scared to go on that one, but I think we should go in it. You down? You wanna go in it? You want? Oh my days. Hey, this is smooth. Oh my days. Yeah, because it goes fast. Guys, we're gonna be going on the ride. A bit scared, a little bit scared, but we can do it. You carry yours, but we can do it. Guys, come on the ride. I couldn't be recording this tour because it's about balance. I hope this is worth it. I forgot my cards, like my actual pin. Second now, I remember it. So I'm here by myself there. I'm down there. But I hope this is funny if you just see myself. Anyway, my hair's a mess now, but oh my days, that ride was so fun. I would go there again. My head's sweating because I had to go up, down. Oh my, it was so much. If you tell me my head stopped going dizzy, bro, that would actually make my head stop going dizzy. Because, oh my, I think it's a bit, see over here, my head's a bit messed up as well. But everything was like, they're getting us. How are you guys feeling?
That's right.
What about you, Victor?
Empty cars on this one, there's empty space.
Look how she's crying, bro. Oh my days. Would you like it? Yes. That's a man. You do not seem too happy. My head's hurting a little bit over here, but then actually been totally fine though, because I think this was, read this out of 10. What do you guys think out of 10? 6. It's out of 10? 5. He's 7. That's a strong 7. Strong 7. I get 5. 5 is quite good. Okay. Guys, look how cute this is. Victoria, she says she wants to get it, but it's £30 if you just get it straight on its own. So I'm not sure. Maybe she's gonna try win it. I'm not sure she's gonna try win it. She might. But these games are always such a gamble. Always these ones. But tell us what you have on. Tell us.
8 tickets, £5 only. You can buy 20 tickets for 10. You can have the Happy Apple Special 45 for 20 right now. You don't have to use all the tickets that you buy. You don't have to use all the numbers. Use as many tickets as you like, as many numbers as you like, as many as you need.
Go on, your turn.
And if you want to give us 21, we'll give you any prize. Just say, you know what I mean? You've got to add up the numbers on the inside of your tickets, add them together. You must score 21 to win. If you make 21, you choose any prize today. And you can buy 8, 20 or 45. It's up to you. 18 is 5, 20 for 10 or 45 for 20. You don't have to use all the tickets that you buy. You don't have to use all the numbers. You use as many tickets as you like, as many numbers as you like. As many as you need to. We'll give you any prize on this. Do you have any prize that you like here today? Or what we're doing now? It's going to be the next hockey winner. Simple easy game if you like to play. Simple easy game if you like to win. Second prize on the show here today. Any prize that you like, ladies and gentlemen. What we're doing now? It's going to be the next hockey winner.
Guys, we're probably taking videos and pictures for like probably around 40 minutes, sorry, not 6, 40 minutes. And now I think we're going to go on extreme ride because the ponies leave early, but I guess that's the issue. So come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Where even is extreme? Actually, yeah, where even is it? I don't even know where it is. I feel like we should go like, I actually don't. No, I think it was down here. I think it was. So where are we going? Extreme? Yeah, I think we should. Look, I'm just going to cheap up.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
What? We got that one that's spinning all the way around. Look. See it?
Ain't no way, bro.
Alright. Look. Is it the one that's turning around? The one that's I just knew it.
Nicole, what do you think about that ride? What do you think about that ride?
That right?
Decline!
What about decline? Come on now. Oh. So, I think we should go in there. I really think we should go in there. As you guys can see, now it's actually starting to get dark, so this is literally where the actual thing is actually smoking. Oh, we can go faster quick.
They've got prizes for everyone. No age limits. No weight limit. It's only £1 if you come in. One ring.
Oh, wait!
Come on, up in the air, over the square. One ring over the There's a big
Oh my days. Guys, we're finally on the ride all together, all the boys. Oh my god. Because we've seen how it is. It's 6-7 minutes. It's not too bad.
It's not what's up.
It went full, right? I don't know. I think it's full. I didn't go full.
It's no perch.
I think you need it there. But it's starting now. Yeah. Let's start it now. Oh no, no, never mind. We're not starting. Oh, never mind, sorry.
Excuse me, can I put this somewhere else? Or should I take it? Yeah.
Oh my days. Oh, tripping. Totally into too bad, bro. Yeah, thank you.
Guys! No, you for chewing.
I think I'm going to video the other way there. I'm not done. Can I hold it? Can I hold it?
So what has on there?
Yeah, the phone, can you hold it? Yeah. I think that. I know that.
Then there's something there. Two letters. On the what?
When it gets to the other pool, that's the thing. Oh my god.
Oh, sorry, guys. Guys, what if I stop the phone? Because I don't want to touch it. She gets nervous, my boss.
Okay, okay.
Guys.
I think it's actually starting properly. As soon as you start lifting up, I'm literally dropping the phone.
Go for hands!
Oh my god. We're turning.
Oh my, they're dropping my phone!
Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my days. Well, this is really too bad. Just gonna walk. Oh my days. Definitely. It was a good type of scary. I like them type of scary. Oh my days. Oh, it's getting starting to get dark for real now. Oh my days. But I don't think I have anything else to say literally. But where does Happy go? That's so cool. That's cool. How much people on it? Is it?
Let's go. Okay, everyone, riders, somebody scream! Yes, you're riding the best. Hold tight.
That's why I never went on that ride. Come on, Victoria. Come on, harder. Come on, she can do it. This is the one. Oh my days. You're close. 6, 5 pounds. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Before I have to go, here's me Victoria as well. But thank you guys so much for watching.